Danny Johnson here, and we have a lot of DeWalt tool reviews coming your way, so make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about these interlocking toolkits, and there's a lot of cool things about them, and they really can help you organize your garage. Now, all of these toolkits are built to be the same size, and the reason for that is so that they can stack on each other and even lock together. They have a carrying handle here if you're going to take them individually. Now, these cases are very secure with 4 different locking areas, and so that's very handy, and you'll see in a minute how we use them to lock each other when stacking. But one of my favorite features is that the inner toolkit here is removable, and so the reason why I like that is you can take your toolbox that may look something like this and transform it into something that looks like this. Now that is a complete difference, and I love it too because if I have to box these back up, it's so easy to do. But all these are individually labeled too for the sizes of the sockets. This is something that you would actually have to pay a lot of money to do if you bought tools and wanted to put them into your toolbox. This is going to keep all the tools from rolling around and getting mixed up, and if you just want to pull one set out to work on your car or something like that, you could easily do that. And even the toolbox itself will fit, and you can put all your loose assortment of other sockets and things in here and really keep things nice and clean. So it's just a nice clean way to organize your toolbox. It almost comes, with a free toolbox kit for everything that you buy. So with these stacking, it's really nice. Again, you can remove these and put them in your toolbox and then use this for really anything that you wanted. It's a really nice case otherwise, and is very sturdy. Now, to keep things uniform, you'll see even with the smaller sockets like this 1/4-inch drive one, it looks like there's a lot of wasted space in the case. And you could probably alter this to hold different things as well, but it is a hard plastic, so it'd be kind of hard to do that. But the whole reason they do that is so that all of these come in the exact same dimension of case so that they can stack. So this is what it kind of looks like as they stack together, and the side latches you will remove and use it to lock one case to another, so that keeps it really sturdy. So here's a quick look of how this works. You'll just open these up and stack them one at a time, locking them in place, and of course you're going to do that on both sides. I'm just showing you one side here to speed it up a little bit, but as you put them up and lock them, they're pretty firm. And they really don't look bad stacked, since it's such a nice uniform look that you could even keep them this way just on the top of your toolbox if you wanted. So with these locked on both sides, you can see how stable this is. I can move it around and hold it with one hand, put it up on a corner. It's really not going to go anywhere. If you have it in the back of your truck or whatnot, they should stay together pretty well. So it's actually a really nice feature to have all these stacked the same size. And it's great that you can buy these individually too, so maybe you don't want to buy all of them at one time, but as time goes on, if you decide you want to buy another kit, just buy it and it'll lock right into place. They are also individually labeled, which is nice, so if you want to put the trays back into the boxes, you'll know where they go. Not that that's too big of a deal, since these are all the same size. You could intermix them as you needed to. But all in all, it's a very nice setup for something that you can buy modular-wise. It's something that's going to help your toolbox be nice and organized. It comes with basically these free, tool holders, because if you go to the store to buy these clips or buy those, it's quite expensive. So these are pretty reasonably priced considering what you're getting as well. And it's just a really nice way to clean up your toolbox, keep everything organized, and also on the go. I mean, I can't tell you how many times I've had to throw my tools into a bag to go fix a car on the side of the road or something like that. And in this case, it would be so easy to do that. Also, again, you can reuse these cases as a tackle box or for loose pieces or all kinds of stuff. Even if you wanted to give them to your kids when you're done, they would make nice stackable things for their bedroom. So thanks for watching, and stay subscribed for more reviews. Check the video description where I'll put a playlist every time I do a video like this, and you can watch all those. And please subscribe if you're new to the channel. Thanks for watching.